Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning presentations from scratch using PowerPoint. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First, let's open PowerPoint and start a new presentation. When you open the program, you'll see several template options. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank presentation. You can choose a template if you want, but starting with a blank presentation gives you full control over the design. Next, let's take a quick tour of the PowerPoint interface. At the top, you have the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. Each tab has a set of tools that you'll use to build your slides. Below the ribbon is the Slide pane, where you can see and organize your slides, and in the center is the Slide editor, where you'll do most of your work. Now let's add some text. Click on the title box and type your title. To format the text, highlight it and use the options in the Home tab to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to find what looks best. Keep your text clear and readable. To add a new slide, click on New Slide in the Home tab. You can choose from various layouts depending on the content you want to add. Layouts help keep your presentation organized and ensure consistency across all slides. Let's make our presentation more visually appealing by adding images. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to add an image from your computer or from the internet. Images can make your slides more engaging. Just be sure to use high-quality visuals. Slide transitions can add a nice touch to your presentation. To apply a transition, select a slide, go to the Transitions tab, and choose an effect. Keep your transitions simple to maintain a professional look. You don't want to distract from your content. There is one very cool feature that will make your presentation amazingly stylish and attractive. It's called the Designer tool, located on the right side. This feature allows you to choose between slide styles and will help you create a beautiful visual for your presentation. Before you present, it's a good idea to rehearse. Use the slideshow to start the presentation from the beginning and go through your slides. Rehearsing helps you get familiar with the flow and timing of your presentation. And that's it. You now have the basic skills to create your own PowerPoint presentations. With practice, you'll be able to create even more polished and professional slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.